Well, hello there guys. Oh my god, great start of the day. Welcome back to another Hyperia update. Today obviously I'm down hunks. Sorry I haven't posted anything in a while. I've recorded them all. I've got at least 20 plus update videos to share with you guys, but no, somehow they just won't post. I've had loads of my guys try to fix them and get them online, but no, it just doesn't want to budge. So I'm on my phone today, so normally, because I've got a camera, so I'd normally record it on that, put it on the computer, and try and put it on YouTube that way, but no, that way hasn't worked for a while, so I thought I'll do it on my phone. It's a new week, it's Monday, it's about 12:30, so yeah, it's not long had work, so I thought why not just come down and see what's happened. I was down here yesterday, not Monk's Walk, but the area, to have my returners interview. Yes, I have been getting questions asking if I'm coming back. I am, and I've been accepted back for next year, which I'm really pleased. I wanted to come back anyway because I kind of loved the job, even though some people were annoying as hell, and the shifts, that's the one, weren't too great. Other than that, 85% of it was really good. I enjoyed the 85%. It was the rest of it was shit. But hey ho. So I'm coming back here on the 16th to have my rides induction again. Even though I had it last year, I remember doing it very well last year. But yes, so I'm just heading nearer the bridge, and I will continue once we get closer to Hyperia. I've seen pictures from Fort. The first outline turn has gone in. I think more's going to be added, or has been added this morning. So we'll see what's happened. The transfer track's in. Not all the way to the engineer's hut, or shed, or workshop, that's the one. But hopefully we see some progress today. I might stay down for most of the afternoon because I don't have a lot on today. I am absolutely shattered, you can probably tell. I've been up since 5. Went to work this morning, wasn't great, not a good shift, but well, the money's alright. So yes, right, heading over the bridge, and actually, no, there is some stuff to talk about. There are some changes happening this year with Thorpe. Obviously, we've got Hyperia coming. So that means for us, for rides, we're getting different rides. So last year, in my area, we had Swarm, Fish, Tidal Wave, Depth Charge, was one side, which was my side, and on the other side of Area 1, we had Walking Dead, Rush, Vortex, and Walking Dead, Vortex, and that was it. So altogether we had Swarm, Fish, DC, Tidal, Rush, Vortex, Walking Dead. This year we have lost Vortex and Depth Charge, and instead we have only gained the Dodgems. So I can't wait. I think they're going to train a lot of people on the Dodgems first. It's a shame about DC as well. I was known as Mr. DC because I was constantly on that ride. But yes. But hey ho, as you can probably tell, we are walking down the bridge. So we're now on Fork's side. I might as well tell you what else is in the area, and there is a crane over at Swarm Island. So hopefully we'll get to see some action today. So in Area 2, there were 3 areas. There are now 4 that Hyperia are coming. In Area 2, God, I need to remember this. We had Colossus, Storm Surge. Trying to do it in Colossus, Storm Surge, Quantum, Zodiac, Dodgems, Ghost Train, and one other. I can't think what it is. No, I can't think. And they've now got what have they taken from us? They've taken Vortex. So Area 2 have now got Vortex in replace of Storm Surge, because Storm Surge is going in Area 4, which I'll tell you which that one is in a minute. I think you'll be able to guess. And in Area 3 we have Stealth, Rumba, Teacups, Banana, Samurai Saw, and one other. Oh, Banana. And Banana is going over to Area 4. So that means in Area 4 we have Hyperia, Storm Surge, and Banana. So they're the new areas for this year. Oh, sorry. Area 3 have taken Depth Charge. So I might get cross-trained over on it. We don't know yet. But yes. So really there's a lot going on the park, from what we were told yesterday in our interviews. Obviously we got the Sparkle project going on with loads of rides. Vortex has pretty much collapsed. That's getting a lot of work done. Tidal Waves Bridge has completely been removed, as you've probably seen. Hopefully we're either getting rid of the bridge completely, or something else. Colossus, repaint. Angry Birds Lands. Apparently a lot has gone on there. So stay tuned for that. We have the Loggers Leap boat and the Rumba boats. Good to see them. and the Canada Creek, not the Canada Creek, Rocky Express. And we've got loads more of the rumba boats. And Self, best ride on park. Close with Swarm, I've got to admit. They're all tucked away quite nicely for the winter. So, yes, I might as well just keep filming and ramble on because we're coming up past Rumba and then past Inferno. Then we'll be at the site. I think Dominic is here. I think he's been here since 8. Which, give him credit to get here from Reading, pretty impressive. So I might ask if he wants to take a lift back, save him get the trains. Because obviously, trains at the moment are screwed because of strikes. But I'll ask him and see what he says. Have a look in the park, see what we can see. Not a lot. Apart from the branding for Double has been taken off the top. I won't show you because one of the security guards are in the little hut that's by the gate, by where you can smoke for Inferno. But there is Inferno. I think the train is on the brake run. There are works going on in the workshop, unless it's been moved. If it's been moved, then no, it's still on the brake run, I think. Yes, it is. Yeah, it's still on the brake run, so I think what I'm looking forward to this season at Thorpe is maybe maybe scrap this a minute. I don't know, I won't be able to do that. But Inferno seats have been only on the third row back, the very back, have been taken off. So it looks like they are doing work on that. No, as I was saying, I'm looking forward to new adventures here, and just a new start again, really. This would be my 3rd season here, my 2nd full season, because I joined 2020. No, I didn't. I joined in 21, halfway through. 22 being my full season. No, hold on. I joined halfway through 22. 23 was my whole season. Now 24 will be my whole season. So, 2nd full season. So, I see Dom. I'm going to talk to Dom. And then I'll come back to you guys. So here we have what I was talking about earlier, the transfer track. And they've got all these supports in, ready for track to go in. For it then to go up the lift hill. But this is new since I've last been here. We've also got the brake run. That looks brilliant. Dom is here, he's just round the other side. So yeah. So we are currently waiting. There are bits of track There they are. Just down there. They've just been delivered, same to that one. There is currently a crane that is being going up and sorting itself out, so I think we're going to have a bit more track done today. We're really looking forward to this, so yeah, let's hope. So we have now, the crane is lowered onto the truck. It is now going to be connected onto the gold button track that's just there on the truck. I'll say give it at least 10 minutes and it will be up in the air. You can just about see that bit of track through the worker. So it's been about an hour since we have been here. Currently working on the maintenance bay. Here we have Dom. We've just now had a gold truck delivery. Dom was telling me that it's every half an hour. Every half an hour that a bit of either support or track get delivered, and we were just walking up to see if we could see anything down the path just down there, and I heard a lorry and Dom was like, it's track. I'm like, and lo and behold, it's track. We do currently have a bit of gold track coming through. Just going up there. So yeah, I think when they've got that in place, they might then get more supports up and hopefully more track, because that would be brilliant to see. So not a bad day coming down here. So it's now about 1:30. They're on their break. We've only seen the one bit of track go up. Obviously I said earlier that the second bit of track was, or the bit of track that we saw earlier had come in. That's been taken off the lorry. So I think we'll get a few deliveries today of either track or off track, because we've got a few supports down the section. And yeah, Dom's off to Staines to have some lunch. I might join him. I need a drink, so I might head down to the shop just down the road here, just get a drink, sit in the car for a bit, have a bit of a snooze, maybe, I don't know, and then head back down here again for the last little bit. I probably won't stay down here all of the afternoon because rush hour traffic and stuff like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to end this first part. I'm going to have 2 parts of the video, so that I can get this one up now. So I have this part 1 up for you guys very soon, and then have part 2 up by this evening, if there is a part 2. There might not be a lot that goes on, but what I'll do is I'll tag Dominic Gardner down below for you guys to watch his POV, because I think he's done more filming than I have. Yeah, it was good to see Dom again today. Good catch up, definitely good mates. Talked about how the projects are going, like I said earlier, about Colossus and all that. Yeah, so other than that, if there isn't a part 2, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and hopefully I will see you guys in part 2. Mr. DC signing out.